Hello and welcome to this edition of the Data Infrastructure Forum. I am Krishna Srinivasan, Senior Director of Product Management at Oracle for our cloud systems. Today I would like to present to you the essential ingredients of complete digital transformation. We will see how Oracle can help our customers modernize applications with the latest hybrid cloud infrastructure that is available. Businesses today are moving towards transformation, digital transformation. Application modernization is one of the primary things that we need to do as a business to continue to transform, evolve, and make our end user experience so much better. What are the essential ingredients of this particular aspect of digital transformation? We need to modernize applications. We need to ensure that we develop once and can deploy on any cloud. So portability, a hybrid cloud infrastructure is an absolute necessity. Security, scalability, and agility are the other things that make this digital transformation journey a very successful one. Hybrid clouds and with a modern infrastructure and modern applications together can drive this digital business transformation. Let's look at two of these aspects. The modern infrastructure with hybrid cloud. What does it mean to be hybrid cloud? Hybrid cloud means your infrastructure should be portable, it should be secure, it should be efficient, and you should be able to deliver modern applications on top of this hybrid cloud infrastructure. Let's look a little bit deeper into what each of these mean. A portable hybrid cloud means there is a seamless integration and ability to migrate your applications from your private to your public and to other multi-clouds as well. You need an efficient hybrid cloud that can be self-healing as well as a self-service for all the users of your hybrid cloud technology. Where applications are developed, you need to add an instance, create an instance. You should be able to do it via self-service. And security, as we all know, is absolutely paramount to any application and digital transformation process. And our hybrid cloud solutions will help you deliver that. The other big ingredient of a digital business transformation, as we discussed earlier, is modern and secure applications. These modern and secure applications need to be resilient. They need to have a cloud API compatibility and a cloud service compatibility, wherein you are developing a single application that can run everywhere, whether it's in your private cloud, your public cloud, and it's movable and elastic between these two clouds. Now those are really modern applications fueled by the cloud technology, the cloud native technology with Kubernetes and container-based deployment models with microservices, and they need to have a continuous integration, continuous development model where you can add new features with very, very good time to market. Let me introduce you to the Oracle Private Cloud Appliance, the hybrid cloud enabler, if you will. It's been in production for 8+ years, and we run countless business critical, life critical applications across the globe, and over 40 million hours of such business critical applications running on a PCA since it was first introduced into the market. What is Oracle Private Cloud Appliance? At its minimum, it's a converged engineered system for middleware and applications. Optimized middleware, optimized applications from Oracle and from other third-party. You should be able to consolidate all your enterprise and your cloud native workloads at a much better price performance than if you were to build this rack level cloud infrastructure by yourself. One of the things that we are trying to do and creating this hybrid cloud enabler is to have a cloud native environment that is integrated with the product. So you should be able to enable DevOps and hence accelerate your application modernization with this integrated cloud native environment that's available with the private cloud appliance. We also provide seamless integration with our Oracle Exadata, which is the fastest database appliance, and you should be able to work your apps, middleware, your applications, your database, and the infrastructure in a hybrid cloud methodology, supported all from a single vendor, which is Oracle. And of course, because we are a class of engineered systems, we offer flexible licensing with trusted partitions, which will provide a great TCO value for our customers. Let's look at middleware and application modernization and what it means, how we can help you achieve it. Oracle recently announced the Verrazano Enterprise Container Platform. With the introduction of Verrazano, we are building a bridge between on-premises and public cloud. We talk about developing our applications and modernizing them in a single infrastructure written to the same APIs across your private and your public cloud. Verrazano allows you to unify that lifecycle management of your applications across microservices and traditional WebLogic server applications. What it also does is allows you to standardize your management across Kubernetes clusters on premises, on the Oracle Cloud infrastructure, on the private cloud appliance, and other public clouds if you need a deployment of Verrazano on the private cloud appliance. As you can see from this picture here, it could be running anywhere on the public cloud, private cloud, or your multi-cloud infrastructure. And having Verrazano manage your applications, which are containerized as well as in the traditional way, bridges these and creates a true hybrid cloud solution, which can then be deployed anywhere. If you take a look at how we modernize our middleware in this hybrid cloud methodology, we use tooling to discover WebLogic domains. We go through a transformation, customization, and update processes. And we can use an image tool. You can use operators that are available from WebLogic today, Helm charts, and deploy your WebLogic server either in the public cloud or on the PCA in exactly the same fashion in less than 30 minutes. We have very well proven methodologies for migration of enterprise workloads that are on not so modern infrastructure, which you are trying to transform into the next generation of your application modernization journey. And we have the exact processes, we have support systems, we have services that will help you achieve this in a very smooth fashion. We have done this already for dozens, if not multiple dozens of customers so far. Not only can you modernize your middleware in your hybrid cloud, you can modernize 3-tier applications like e-business suite using similar methodologies, proven services model, and we have done this as well for multiple customers. The key here is rapid deployment on a hybrid cloud infrastructure, which will help you with the most modern applications. I want to introduce something special that we are very big on for this year. It's big data analytics, the cloud way, the most optimal way, the cloud way, and to get some really good performances by deploying big data analytics on the Oracle Private Cloud Appliance. How do we go about modernizing big data analytics? We want to provide, using these hybrid cloud technologies like Oracle Private Cloud Appliance, complete business solutions on a unified infrastructure. Business apps like EBS, JDE, PeopleSoft feed get fed analytics data which are worked on by Oracle Analytics Server, Oracle BI, and these analytics applications work on both unstructured and structured data. And we're working very closely with our partners, Cloudera, for deploying unstructured data with a CDP solution onto the private cloud appliance. For structured data, of course, there is nothing to beat Oracle database, and we provide, like I mentioned earlier, a direct attached solution to this Exadata from our PCA. What this brings to the table is cloud-like flexibility for your big data solution. It's not in a silo somewhere outside and managed completely independently. It is now integrated into your hybrid cloud infrastructure technologies. And together with Cloudera and Oracle ACS, we have built proven installation and migration services which can then be used to deploy and modernize complete big data analytics solution on the private cloud appliance. It looks like what you see on the screen. The ability to take in data from various sources, whether it's SaaS applications, enterprise applications, events, streaming, or structured data from our Exadata, can be punched in through the Cloudera, the private CDP solution, which is running on the PCA, and it can be pushed to your analytics and other applications, like we saw, to provide a complete business solution. From a data scale perspective, we have probably the best and most cost-effective scalable big data infrastructure using the Oracle Private Cloud Appliance. Just the thumb rules for your big data analytics. You can run big data projects which are up to 3 petabytes worth of unstructured data or even structured data just together on the same infrastructure and run it just on the private cloud appliance. If you believe that your data is going to grow into multiple petabytes, you can always add a ZFS storage solution to the PCA and scale it all the way up to 16 petabytes worth of solution. For extreme scale big data projects where you are creating data lakes and you want to analyze and produce good business solutions coming out of it, we recommend having Oracle Exadata alongside the PCA and the ZFS storage appliance. We believe that the ability to scale your big data analytics infrastructure to provide the right kind of solutions to end customers makes modernizing your applications, providing clear business value to your end customers, extremely simple and easy. Modernizing your business applications using cloud-native technologies like Kubernetes and Verrazano, running on hybrid cloud solutions, these are absolutely essential for business transformations. Oracle Private Cloud Appliance has been engineered from the ground up to provide a complete hybrid cloud that is integrated with cloud-native technologies, that behaves like a cloud, it's scalable, and it's modern, and it's a rack-level solution that you can put on your own premises. Thank you. Any questions? Please feel free to email us. Thank you once again, and have a great rest of the Data Infrastructure Forum.